So I'm headed into the establishment. I got it, and it is for McDonald's. In case you didn't know it, yes, I DoorDash, and I have been doing this for over a year. So I'm here. Let's go ahead and pick up this order. Okay, so I'm here to pick up the DoorDash order, but however, it's not ready. So whenever it's not ready, just kind of hang around in the lobby or stand off to the side and wait for them to get it ready. When I come in, I go to the counter and I let them know about the order and what I'm here for. Pick it up and deliver it to the customer. I just made my first delivery for today, a $5 tip. So I just picked up another order from an establishment. I really like coming here. It's a very, very nice place. It's called Honey Bunny Biscuit. I had a little bit of trouble earlier. Sometimes you have trouble with the apps. The app isn't working as well as far as the navigation app this morning. So I had a little trouble with that, but I'm on my way to make this delivery.
My name is Madison. What can I get your service today?
Pick up for DoorDash.
Alrighty, I'll get it checked in. We're still working on it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm in between orders right now with DoorDash. I have been DoorDashing since December of last year. December of 2023 was when I first started DoorDashing. And it was something that I took up as a side hustle in order to make money for myself. I just get the Social Security. So, and my age, I am 69 years old. I've always liked working for myself, being my own boss, setting my own hours. That was something that I started doing at a young age, was working for myself. So I started looking into deliveries because I didn't want to go back to work on a 9-to-5 job. I feel like I'm a little bit too old for that. I also didn't want to go to work and have to leave my husband alone by himself because he's a lot older than I am. Well, I wouldn't say a lot older, but he's 75 going on 76. So I would be worried about him all the time. And so I wanted something that's flexible, something that I can do on my own hours at my own time, where I'll be able to, if I want to, go by home to check on him. Something that just fits my schedule. And the delivery service is what I found to do that. Now, you don't have to be a certain age in order to start doing DoorDash. Like I said, I am 69 years old. I wanted to do something, tired of sitting at home. I would say forced retirement because I fell and had an accident at work and I had to stop working. That was in 2013. So since then, like I say, I have been retired, but I continued to work really as much as I could. That's when I basically became disabled, but I still went back to work and I did like health unit coordinator. But like I said, I just like being my own boss. So I did real estate. I really did enjoy doing real estate. Also, then I sell paparazzi jewelry. I just started looking into things that I could do while being my own boss. Being my own boss is very, very important to me, especially at this age. I don't feel like I want to go back to work on a full-time 8-hour job, nor a part-time 4-hour job. I want to do something that I enjoy, something that I can make good money also something that fits my schedule. And you can do that if you do through delivery services. Now, I not only work for DoorDash, I also work for Uber Eats. Uber Eats is also good to work for, and sometimes I do both of them together. The amount of money that I receive from my Social Security is just not enough for me to live on. Me and my husband's combined Social Security income is just not enough for us to live on. So I DoorDash. Yes, I do Uber Eats, and I also drive for a local company delivering food boxes and other items that come in, through their company. They're like a mail order company. So I deliver for them also. I try to find delivery jobs that fit my schedule, things that I am able to do, and make some money. Today I came home and I decided to go ahead and do my hair. So as you see, I put quick weave on it, and also I put some curly hair in the top. Um, Sometimes you can learn to do things for yourself, and it doesn't really take a lot to learn. You can learn from YouTube videos, you can learn by reading, but I learned how to do this myself, the quick weave, and so I'm very, very proud of how my hairstyle came out. This helps me to feel better about myself also. So I try to, when I have time, I try to do my hair myself because I can be more creative with it also. Also, I was able to get in my 10,000 steps today, so I want to share that with you on my Fitbit. Like I said, DoorDash helps me to be able to get my steps in and helps me to be able to meet my goals also of 10,000 steps a day. Okay, so I have to remember to cut that TV down so that I don't get a copyright. Then I got to make sure that my volume is adjusted right so that you can hear me. I had a good day today as far as door dashing, but I did forget to show you all what I had earned, and I was trying to pull it up, and I'll remember to do that the next time. Let's see, I made about $79 today. It was a good day. The money varies a lot on DoorDash. Sometimes I have a really good day, and sometimes I have days that I really don't make too much of anything going out. Um, I think the most that I have made in one day on DoorDash has probably been, I think, close to about 130 or close to 150 bucks, somewhere around in there. But I haven't made over that much for sure. I do know. When I first started the DoorDash, I remember I think the first day I made something like maybe $19. Very, very low. That was, like I said, that was back in December, and it has varied. There are some times, let's say, my Fitbit reminder that it's just about time for bed. But I usually make like pretty good. I have noticed that during the summer, our wages went down during that time, and I know I had car trouble during that time. So, um, like I said, my wages went down, and when I went back in to start door dashing again, um, my ratings had went down just a little bit. So I got back in there, got back busy, and got my ratings and everything back up. Because I have had the silver level, the gold level, and the platinum level. I don't know, remember the order of them. I have to look on here. But each level gives you different perks. And so I usually, if it says I'm close to a level, then I'll work to reach that next level to earn some extra perks and everything. You can schedule out ahead of time. It just depends on the level that you're at. They'll give you stack your orders. They'll start letting you go to grocery stores and shop, but they do it at different times. They don't just put all of this on you at one time. They kind of really do break you in as far as doing this on DoorDash. So I did really like that about DoorDash when I first started. But if you're looking for some extra income, I would advise you to check into the delivery service, especially if you're interested in basically being your own boss. But it really helps me, like I said, it helps me as far as getting in steps, as far as my walking. It helps me. So, I feel like I'm getting some exercise in. As far as the 75 hard challenge, as far as when I go out to DoorDash, then I count that as my outside exercise. And then before I go to bed, I'm on my walking pad or I'm doing something to exercise, to tone my body, lifting some type of weights or something like that. So um, check it out. Check out DoorDash. There's Uber Eats. There's Grubhub. There are a lot of different things that you can do as far as delivery. There's a new one I know in the area that I saw recently. I'll find out what that is and then I will share that with you also. But doing the DoorDash and Uber Eats is a really good side hustle as far as having use extra money if you have a car and you really do need a good car because you don't want to have car problems where you're stuck on the highway. You got to call AAA and different things like that. You do want to have a car that is in pretty good shape. Um, Also, I'm on a weight loss journey. And like I said, I always try to find something to do to keep me busy. I'm 69 years old, and a lot of time people think that when you get so old that you can't work or you can't do anything. But I feel like I can always learn. There's different things that I can do, and I really like doing the DoorDash because I like to meet people, talk to people, be my own boss. I like being outside. I like driving, listening to music. So everything, it all just works out great as far as earning extra money and doing something that I enjoy and not having someone hammer down on me all the time, telling me what to do, meeting deadlines and different things like this. So it's something that you should really check out. Um, Also, what I do a lot is I do meal preps, and that helps me to stay focused and on point. Also, by doing my meal preps, it helps me to be able to maintain my weight loss. I lost a total of I think I lost a total of something like maybe 150, 157 pounds, but I gained back about 40 pounds, 40, 45 pounds. And I'm almost at the point that I've gotten those pounds off. I still have about 20, 20 something pounds to go and I will be back. My goal is to get, I want to at least get to my 211 is where that's the smallest that I have been in a while. That's my picture up there in the corner. Um, that small picture over there, that's what my smallest 211, where I had gotten down to when I started my weight loss journey before I gained, the little bit weight back. Excuse me. So, um, I'll want to at least get that small again. And then my goal is to get under 200 pounds. So 199, 190, somewhere around in there. I will let my body be my guide to tell me where I need to stop as far as losing weight because I don't want to lose so much weight that I start looking weird and funny and different stuff like that. I want to lose weight where I look nice, where I feel healthy, and I feel very, very good with what I'm doing, the way that I'm eating and everything. Um, when you're on your weight loss journey, you have to decide how you're going to eat. But it makes it so much easier for me to have meal preps done, to have some food ready when I'm coming in from door dashing, or have something with me that I can take out, with me in the car and have to eat while I'm door dashing. And I share different things that I do take with me while I'm door dashing, and I share different things that I'm eating while I'm out door dashing, in order to stay focused, to stay on point, or just to eat according to my diet plan. Um, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you're interested in side hustles, we'll share some of those different things with you. And a lot of the things when I talk about side hustles, I like to actually go out and try to do these things for myself and then share them with you. So this is Keto Granny saying, I hope that you've had a great day. I hope that you were able to focus on yourself, and progress, that you're making some progress on your weight loss journey. If you have a side hustle that you're doing, make sure that it's something that you enjoy, and I'm hoping that you're making progress on that also. But I hope that you have enjoyed this video, that I've given you some good information for sharing with you about my. Okay, I see that the video has come back again, but I'm getting ready to go ahead and end this. Have a good night until the next. Hey, you guys, I had to come back on here so I can tell you to subscribe to my channel. I forgot to ask you to subscribe to my channel and to give me a thumbs up, a like. It really does help my channel. It helps the algorithm. It helps my channel grow. And also leave a comment below to let me know how you like my video, or, to tell me what type of information that you do like as far as dealing with DoorDash, or, you know. So I'm glad that you were able to watch my video. I'm glad that you took time to join me. And I want to let you know that you are appreciated so, so, so much. So leave a comment below. And until the next time, I just had to come back on here to say, make sure that you subscribe, like, share, and comment.